Hi guys, this is Sunita. Welcome to your class 11 English, chapter 3, part 5. So let us start our line to line explanation of the chapter. A CT scan machine scanned the mummy head to toe. So a CT scan machine scanned the mummy head to toe means ऊपर से नीचे तक from head to bottom. Okay, so creating 1700 digital X-ray images in cross section. So how many images were taken? 1700 digital X-ray images were taken. They were put cross section. Tut's head scanned in 0.62 millimeter slices to register its intricate structure. Okay, and what was the thickness of the digital X-rays? Actually, it was 0.62 millimeter. It was very minutely. The X-rays were ray down, and it was done. Takes on array detail. Array detail means details related to supernatural details in resulting image. They were just trying to get to know about the supernatural elements also. So with Tut's entire body similarly recorded, complete body was done in this way only. A team of specialists in radiology, forensic and anatomy began to probe means to reveal the secrets that the winged goddess of a glided burial shrine protected for so long. Here it has been used for King Tut's tomb. This glided burial shrine protected for so long. Here the writer wants to say that now the CT scan was started, and the scientists they started to scan the body of that mummy of King Tut, and now they were going to reveal the secrets of winged god, means the goddess of afterlife, and it was that the glided burial shrine. This is called for the glided means that ornamented tomb of King Tut, and they were going to get the every detail of King Tut. The night of the scan, now we are talking about the night when the scanning was done. Workmen carried Tut from the tomb. They carried that mummy of Tut from the tomb in his box like pallbearers. Pallbearers, have you seen that? पालकी उठाने वाले होते हैं जो फोर सेंटर्ड में होते हैं, तो pallbearers they climbed a ramp. Ramp means somehow this is that from downstairs to upstairs. Okay, and a flight of stairs means a group of stairs also into the swirling sand outside. And what was going on outside bavander, swirling means bavander, that outside the रेत का bavander चल रहा था. Then rose on a hydraulic lift, and then what did they do? They climbed a ramp, then some stairs, and then they went in a lift that was made run by hydraulic, means the pressure of water. So the trailer that had held the scalar. Now what is a trailer? Trailer is a big vehicle which is connected by some other vehicle, and this vehicle can be carried. This has some wheels. Okay, so this vehicle can be carried anywhere, and this vehicle was standing outside the tomb of the King Tut, and that's why they the people they just came with the mummy of King Tut, and then they climbed a ramp, then some stairs, and then they entered in the trailer. So where the scanner was kept, in this trailer the scanner was kept. 20 minutes later, two men emerged, and after 20 minutes two men appeared, sprinted for an office nearby, and then they ran for an office which was nearby, and returned with a pair of white plastic fan. They came with a pair of plastic fans, two plastic fans, the $1 million scanner had quit. The means the so costly scanner it was, and it was quit means it was not working well because of sand in a cooler fan, because the sand was in the cooler fan because of that swirling sand storm. The sand was in the cooler fan, that's why it was not working well. Curse of the Pharaoh jogged a guard nervously. And what had become here, that the guard, one of the guards, he joked that it was a curse of pharaohs. So next, eventually the substitute fans worked well enough to finish the procedure. So eventually means at last, the substitute fans means the white fans which the people they brought for scanning, so that the scanner could work properly. It worked well, and the work was done. The whole procedure was completed. After checking that no data had been lost, the technicians turned Tut over to the workman, and after the scanning process, they handed over the mummy of King Tut to workman again, who carried him back to his tomb. And then what did they do? They kept that mummy in the tomb back. Less than 3 hours. How much time it took? Less than 3 hours. 3 hours भी नहीं लगे थे. Okay. And now after he was removed from his coffin, the pharaoh again rested in peace where the funerary priest had laid him so long. And now where was the pharaoh's mummy? Pharaoh was again in his tomb, where the priests of his time, they made him to laid for so long ago, because it was a good number of period, that it was very long ago when the King Tut was buried. Okay, so back in the trailer, a technician pulled up astonishing images. Now come back to the trailer again. Here this is the trailer. Come back to the trailer where the scanner was kept and the scanning process was done up to now. And what were the technicians doing? They were pulling up the astonishing means as surprising images of Tut on a computer screen. They were just putting those images in a computer screen. A grey head, here a grey head means Mr. Zahi Hawass, okay, took shape from a scattering of pixels. Now here the technician work is being done, and the technician spun and titled it in every direction. They were making a virtual image, okay, the virtual image like a body, completely like a body. Now what happened? Neck vertebrae appeared as clearly as in an anatomy class. Now the damage on his neck, it was also very clearly, it could be seen that as it could be seen in anatomy. Other images revealed a hand, several views of rib cage, and a transaction of the skull. And they were just telling us that there was a damage in the hand and rib cages, and there was some problem in the skull as well. But for now, the pressure was off. Sitting back. Now the pressure was off means outside I just told you the swirl of sands, they were going on. रेत के बवंडर चल रहे थे. Now the pressure was off because it was that evening time, and sitting back in his chair, he was sitting there in the chair, and pressure, one more pressure he's talking about, that about the CT scan. Before CT scan, Mr. Zahi Hawass and other people, they were worried that how it will be, but now after the scanning and after setting those images in the computer screen, they were feeling relaxed, they were relieved. And one more pressure that I'm talking about, the sand swirl, this was also not going on. So both the pressures were removed. Zahi Hawass smiled, visibly relieved, and nothing had gone seriously wrong. And he said that, oh, I was so worried that let us see how it will be, and if there should be no wrong with us. I didn't sleep last night, not for a second. And he did not sleep for a second even last night. He said, I was so worried, but now I think I will go and sleep. And Now, by the time we left the trailer, descending metal stairs, now we were leaving the trailer and descending metal stairs to sandy ground. Now we were descending means climbing down the stairs. नीचे उतर रहे थे हम. The wind had stopped. The winter air had cold, lay cold, and हवा कैसी हो गई थी, ठंडी हो गई थी. And still, and it wasn't, there was no motion, it was still, शांत हो गई थी. Like death itself, जैसे कि यहाँ पे हवा की भी मौत हो गई हो. In this valley of departed, just above the entrance of Tut's tomb, stood Orion. Okay, when we because it was night time now, and the stars could be seen very clearly, and just above the entrance of Tut's tomb, what could be seen? Orion. What is Orion? The constellation that the ancient Egyptians knew as the soul of Orion. Actually, this is a pair of three stars, okay, which is in a straight line, and this is considered a symbol of hunter, and for the Egyptians, it is symbol of their god Orisis, who is the god of the afterlife, means life after life, watching over the boy king. And this was their imagination, that they were feeling that the god Orisis, it was looking at the king Tut's tomb. So with that, thank you and have a nice day. We'll meet in the next video with for discussing question answers.